So let's say we want to make insulin or we want to make serotonin. And the formula says, I need one of these, one of these, one of these, and there's a formula. So the amino acids arrived at the cell. And the machinery says, I need one of these. Okay, I got one. Put it on there. It's like a string. It's like stringing beads. So put the bead on there. Okay, I need one of these. Put it on there. I need one of these. Oh, sorry. I don't have those. I'm low in those.
Right.
That thing doesn't get made. Now it's got to wait for the next meal.
Right.
Now, there's about 200 or 300,000 proteins in the body.
Oh.
And this process is going on 24 hours a day, all the time. Repair proteins, make new proteins. These enzymes, liver enzymes, 15 minutes. You got to replace them every 15 minutes.
Wow.
If you don't have enough of these things coming in, you can't do it.
Right.
And so what happens is the body gets backlogged.
Right.
That's illness. That's degeneration. That's frailty. That's no muscles. That's can't think. It's anxiety. It's can't sleep. Because these are the building blocks of the body.
Wow.
And so you've got to have them coming in or you don't get them.